Okay, this is to show you how to create a works cited page using the Easybib website. So this website has a lot of ads on it, so just try to ignore those. But you're going to go to www.easybib.com. You're going to click, I only want to create citations. So you're going to have in front of you what all of your source information. So let's say my first source is the New York Times. I'm going to put in www.newyorktimes.com. I'm going to hit Cite. And I'm going to click Cite again. They actually found some information for me. Breaking news, but let me think like, oh wait, no, this is not the information that I found. I would then go to continue, and let's say this isn't what I was finding. Let's say the article title I found was The Art of Pablo Picasso. Let's say that's the title it was. Let's also say the author was Jennifer Banks. What if you don't have an author? You can leave that part blank. For websites, you might not have authors. It might be hard to find everything. So the title again, I'm going to switch to The Art of Pablo Picasso. And let's say this article was done on the 28th of April, 2019. You're then going to click Complete Citation. And you're going to go to the bottom, and it actually created it for me. So look at that. It's right there, and it comes out perfectly. You can then click Export. And you only click Export once you're done all 3 citations. So click Export. Where would you like to export your citations? I'm going to say Microsoft Word. You're going to click Export, and it literally creates a document in Microsoft Word for you that is your works cited. It's kind of awesome. So that'll pop up on your screen. And it's really that simple. Just let me know if you have any questions.